Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today is day 20 of my Tag a Day November. For today's tag, I used some This Calls for Confetti, one in a melon. I used this Pure Innocence girl from My Favorite Things, Sweet Summertime, and I have the die that goes with her. I ended up using this, I think it's called a Stitched Scallop Basic Edge from My Favorite Things. I used the Honeybee Tag Builder because she was a little bit bigger, so I needed a little bit bigger tag. And then I used the Watermelon Summer paper that was from the May 2022 Box of the Month and Not Too Shabby. Anything that is still available, I will leave the links in the description box below. And then there is my cute tag. Isn't she adorable? And you can see that fun paper. I love how I've learned to kind of color the watermelon. I think it looks really cute. That This Calls for Confetti is so fun. And then on the back, I had that piece left over, so I went ahead and added it there so you could write like to or from, but you have it like decorated a little bit. So there, oh, and my favorite ribbon. There is my tag for day 20. I can't believe how fast this month has gone by. It is still so fun to make these tags. I giggled. I sat down the other night to make a full-size card, and I was kind of lost because I've gotten used to this smaller area. But it was still fun. So we still have 10 more days. I'm looking forward to it. So again, there's day 20. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Have a great day and go do something crafty.